In this video you will learn about the map and reduce functions of Google Earth Engine. This video is based on the slides of Ujjwal Gandhi from Spatial Thoughts. These functions are specific for Google Earth Engine because they relate with the parallel geodata processing that Google Earth Engine is doing behind the scenes. There's around 40 petabyte of data in the cloud of Google Earth Engine, and you can access these geospatial datasets with code by doing requests and having algorithms run on the cloud and then retrieving back the results. Many of these operations are done in parallel. Therefore, we should avoid to use loops, for loops, while loops, or if-then-else statements, which we use more in regular programming. Often our workflow in Google Earth Engine is as follows. We have an image collection from which we filter certain images that we need, on certain dates or with certain cloud cover, and for that we use filter functions. Then we write the code to do the calculation and apply that to one, but if we put it in a function we can then apply it to all the images that we filtered, and that's what we do with the map function. In the end we want the result as a composite, a table, or a graph, and that's what we achieve with the reduce function. So how do we write then a parallel computing code? Well, first we filter the collection to get a collection with the desired data. For example, the dates for which you want the images, certain cloud cover, or other aspects. And that's achieved with the filter functions. The next step is to write a function to process a single image or feature from the collection. For example, the calculation of NDVI. Then you can apply that function to the filtered collection using the map function. With the map function, it will distribute the calculation to different processing cores and will apply the calculation for each image or feature in your collection. And finally, you use a reduce function in order to present the results as an image composite, a table, or a graph. Let's have a look at these functions in more detail. The map functions, they work on different Earth Engine objects. They work on list, dictionary, image collection, feature collection, and you run a map operation by calling the map function. For reduce, Earth Engine provides built-in reducers, and they work on list, image, image collection, and feature collection, and you run a reducer by calling the reduce function. Here you see what happens if you reduce an image collection. It creates a new image, and the reducer is applied for each pixel individually across the images. And this can be used for creating composites. We can also reduce an image region. This creates a number of a dictionary. The reducer is applied on all pixels of each band. Examples are calculating an area or calculating the average NDVI in a farm. This is similar to zonal statistics in GIS. There are a couple more types of reducers. You can apply reducers on a neighborhood, do zonal statistics, do statistics on attribute tables, convert raster to vector format or vector to raster format, and do linear regression. In this video you learned more about filter, map and reduce functions which are used in Google Earth Engine for parallel processing.